Hello, this is Beth with Carolina Eye Candy, and I wanted to chat about the new craze over magnetic lashes. These are eyelash strips that have little small magnets, and the magnets are attached to the lining of the strips, and there are uppers and lowers, meaning there would be a set to go over the top of the lashes and a set to go underneath the same upper lashes, and those magnets are supposed to attach in order to keep them together. My personal opinion, it is definitely a cool idea, but do magnetic lashes beat individual eyelash extensions? Not a chance. When individual eyelash extensions are applied, and they're applied the right way, there is no detection that you even have eyelash extensions on. With eyelash strips, I just don't feel that there is any comparison to individual eyelash extensions. Yes, you are going to be lying down on a comfortable treatment table when you come to our business, and you may be relaxing, and you may sound like one of our regular beauty guests that says, "Do I have to get up now when your service is over?" Wow, what a huge problem, right? But when it comes to individual eyelash extensions, it's not just about the look, and it's not just about the cost. It is about the full-on experience. We have had clients that have gone to eye doctor appointments, and the technicians and even the doctors have complimented them on their lashes and didn't even know that they had extensions on until they made mention of it. So there really is no comparison. I've actually tried to put the magnetic lashes on just to try them out, and when I tell you I had such a hard time, it was crazy. I looked ridiculous, and I actually read another person's blog, and I'll have a link to it in the description box so that you can check it out. I'm sorry. Magnetic lashes, there just is no comparison to individual eyelash extensions. When individual eyelash extensions are applied, you're lying down on the treatment table, your eyes are completely closed, and the service provider is applying the extensions to your individual natural lashes so that they blend, so that they look beautiful, and so that they feel natural. And magnets around the eyes, I'm not quite sure in the long run how that would affect the eyes, but I'm just not really sure. I actually had the magnetic lashes next to the mirror that I was trying to look in to put the extensions on, and the magnets were attracted to the base of the mirror, and they flew out of my hand and were adhered to the base of the mirror, because magnets are attracted to metal, right? But they're a great convenience for someone who can really master that art of putting those magnets and those lash strips on the eyes in a way that they don't look detectable. But in my professional opinion, I just don't feel that there is any comparison. But they do serve a purpose. Eyelash extensions are an investment. That is true. But you get what you pay for. I truly do believe in the art of eyelash extensions, and there really is no comparison when it comes to any eyelash strip, whether it is glued on or they have magnets or, whatever way they're applied. There is no comparison when it comes to individual eyelash extensions. So if you want to check out our services, you can check out our website, which is in the description box. We specialize in eyelash extension services in South Carolina and now also in Charlotte, North Carolina. And we look forward to serving you. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave it in the comment section. We'd love to answer your questions and hear your comments. But again, this is just my professional opinion as a master lash artist of 10 years. There really has been nothing that has come on the market that can be compared to individual eyelash extensions. So thank you so much for watching this video. This is Beth with Carolina Eye Candy, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have a beautiful day, and I wish you much beauty and many blessings. Until next time.